West Bengal's culinary scene is defined by its staple, rice and fish, which are integral to its agricultural identity. The region's innovation extends to plastic manufacturing, emphasizing sustainability. Additionally, processed foods and confectionery highlight its rich culinary heritage, offering sweet delights that reflect Bengali culture. Indian Box connects you with these authentic products, fostering partnership opportunities. West Bengal's culinary scene thrives on its iconic rice and fish dishes, reflecting its agricultural heritage. The state is also a hub for innovative plastic manufacturing, balancing sustainability with progress. Its processed foods and confectionery offer sweet delights rooted in tradition. Indian Box bridges these authentic Bengali products with global markets, fostering valuable partnerships. The Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta's fertile alluvial soil makes West Bengal the rice bowl of India. This region produces diverse rice varieties like aromatic Gobindabhog and Herty Miniket, each with unique culinary applications. Farmers blend traditional and modern techniques, ensuring sustainable, eco-friendly cultivation that honors generational practices. West Bengal's rivers and wetlands nurture diverse freshwater fish, vital to Bengali cuisine. The Sundarbans Delta alone hosts over 120 species. Rohu, with its mild flavor, is a staple. Hilsa, the national fish, is celebrated for its rich taste. Katla and Pabra are cherished for traditional curries and their tender textures. Bengali households emphasize fresh fish selection, often visiting morning markets for live fish. Quality is assessed by gill color and eye clarity. Cutting techniques, an art form passed through generations, preserve flavor and texture. Signature spices like mustard, nigella seeds, and green chilies enhance the fish's natural taste, creating distinctive Bengali flavors. The phrase Mach Bhate Bengali underscores the centrality of fish and rice in Bengali diets. Special fish dishes are integral to celebrations and religious ceremonies. Fish and rice are also celebrated in Bengali literature, poetry, and songs while supporting millions of farmers and fishermen economically. West Bengal's plastic manufacturing excels through cutting-edge techniques and a strong focus on sustainability. The industry thrives in strategic zones with a skilled workforce supported by government incentives. Eco-friendly materials and recycling initiatives highlight the commitment to environmental responsibility, setting a benchmark for quality and innovation in the sector. West Bengal's plastic industry excels in producing a diverse range of products, from essential packaging to specialized industrial components. The emphasis on quality and innovation distinguishes these products, ensuring they meet global standards and cater to various sectors, including automotive, healthcare, and consumer goods. Bengal's confectionery traditions have ancient roots, with cheese-based sweets introduced by the Portuguese in the 16th century. Family-owned sweet shops, some over a century old, preserve these recipes. Modern sweet makers innovate by blending traditional methods with new flavors, creating fusion sweets that cater to evolving consumer tastes. Rasgulla, soft cheese dumplings in sugar syrup, earned West Bengal a geographical indication tag in 2017. Sandesh, a milk-based sweet, offers variations with cardamom, saffron, or rose water. Mishti dough, sweetened yogurt, is traditionally set in earthen pots. Channar Pesh, a creamy cottage cheese pudding, graces special occasion. Bengal's processed foods extend beyond sweets, featuring unique pickles with mango, lime, and mixed vegetables. Traditional snacks like crispy muri mixtures and chanachur blend savory, sweet, and spicy notes. Ready-to-eat meals offer traditional Bengali dishes in modern packaging, preserving authentic flavors and extending shelf life. West Bengal's economy thrives on diverse sectors. Agriculture, particularly rice cultivation, is a major employer. Fisheries contribute significantly to livelihoods and exports. The food processing industry adds value to local produce, while plastic manufacturing supports urban growth. These industries collectively sustain millions of jobs, bolstering both rural and urban economies across the state. West Bengal products embody authentic cultural heritage rooted in centuries of tradition. They uphold exceptional quality standards through rigorous control and craftsmanship. Innovation meets tradition as modern techniques enhance traditional excellence. Sustainable practices ensure environmentally conscious production methods, making these products a perfect blend of heritage and modernity. Indian Box connects you with West Bengal's authentic producers through meticulous source identification. We ensure quality with rigorous testing, guaranteeing exceptional standards. Our logistics management provides seamless shipping from the producer to your location. Additionally, we offer ongoing support to foster successful partnerships, ensuring your experience with West Bengal's treasures is both rewarding and efficient. Explore West Bengal's treasures with over 1,000 verified suppliers backed by 25+ years of combined industry experience. Our commitment to quality ensures 100% satisfaction. For inquiries, visit us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh, call +91 87-553-00795 or email support@indianbox.com. Discover more at our website https://indianbox.com/.